Hello. Welcome to Global Electronic Services. My name is Dr. Noah Lott, resident engineering genius. And a man who knows a lot. I will be your guide in this video and in future videos, helping you to traverse the technical landscape of industrial repair. Let's get started. This is an industrial fan which has failed. It is off of a motor we are currently repairing. As you can see, the bore where the fan mounts to the motor has melted. The fan itself is of an uncommon size, and if we were to order this part from the manufacturer, the lead time would be exceptionally long, adding unneeded time to the motor's repair process. This is where Global Electronic Services' additive manufacturing capabilities come into play. Because we have our fast 3 to 5 day turnaround, we cannot wait extra days or weeks for a simple plastic part. That's unacceptable. But fortunately, we can create a fan in our state-of-the-art facilities. Our engineer has taken precise measurements of the fan, and has begun designing within our 3D modeling software. Now that the design is complete, printing can commence. Please note that we do not use common plastic filament, as different grades can have different strengths and can withstand different temperatures. We use an industrial-grade ABS plastic, so that the material will be stronger and can withstand more heat than the original manufacturer's fan. We also print with a 100% infill setting, so that the fan is printed completely solid all the way through, which ensures no weakness in the final product. Clearly, the benefit of having this technology is saving our customers precious time and money with all of their industrial equipment repairs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos. This is Dr. Noah Lott. See you next time.